This is what happened. The small safety box. Like this. I think there's battery there. It's like burning. They burn the thing. So they can open it. It's very professional. Professional talaga. At ito yung sa malaking safety box rin. Tingnan mo yan kung paano nila i-open. Grabe. Napaka-professional nila mag-open ng mga safety box. Hindi mo akalain na ganyan. Wala. Yan. At nakaya nilang dalhin yung ito pababa. Mula sa taas, pababa. Nakaya nilang dalhin sa labas. Yan. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Grabe. Grabe pag ano nila, bukas nila.